Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Google Chrome installer failed to start here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to press Windows and R key together to up and run. So here, please type regedit. Again, type regedit so that you'd be able to see this user account control asking you to say yes to proceed. So let me just close all of this file folders so we can start from scratch, okay? So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to go with hkey underscore current underscore user. Click this forward arrow and proceed to software, okay? Then click this forward arrow and go with Google. Now here's the catch. You need to delete this. Okay, so simply click on yes. And once it is being deleted, you need to close all of these file folders. Okay. So I will not delete such since I am not facing an error. Okay. So in your case, you need to delete so that you would be able to fix your problem. Okay. So once you have deleted, just have to go with hkey underscore local underscore machine. Then click this forward arrow and then you need to go with software. Click this forward arrow and this time you need to go with Google. Then do a right click again and then go with delete. So just have to click on yes so that you would be able to delete the file folder named Google. So once you're done, you need to close all of these file folders as well as this registry editor window, and then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, try to install again the Google Chrome. Okay, and check if it's been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.